Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're going to discuss NUMS paper 3 with you, which will be the last paper from NUMS के past papers. Okay ji. So starting from number 1. A lesion, what is the closest in the meaning to a lesion? It's definitely not a treasure or honor or esteem. ये किसी जख्म को कहते हैं. Hence, a lesion is an injury. ठीक है, इन्होंने इस बार स्टार्ट वो कैप से किया. Number 2 is pick out the synonym of lethal. Lethal cannot be philosophical. Lethal is very aggressive, right? It's not philosophical. It's not unique. It's not wholesome. It's deadly. Again, best way यही है कि आपके पास जितने भी vocab के words हैं, आप उन सब के जैसे इसमें जितने भी options हैं, आप उन सब के भी meanings find out कर लें. There's no harm in knowing more words than you are required to, because eventually कहीं ना कहीं वो काम जरूर आते हैं. Pick out the synonym of obsolete. Now, obsolete was anything which is out of fashion, जो कि पुरानी हो गई हो, जो कि current नहीं हो. तो it can be old. It is definitely outdated. It is definitely not modern, and it is definitely not unused. So, out of old and outdated, I would rather choose outdated for obsolete, because there can be things जो कि old हो लेकिन आज भी applicable हो. Outdated वो हैं जो कि old भी हैं और अब applicable नहीं है. Number 4 is pick out the antonyms of blunt. एक ही antonym ढूंढना है आपने of blunt. तो blunt क्या होता है जो कि क्या हो? Blunt is definitely not sharp. तो subtle नहीं हो सकता. Edgeless जरूर है क्योंकि ये sharp नहीं है. उसके बाद it's not ringing, it's not careful. Therefore, bravo is the correct answer. It's edgeless. Okay ji. Question number 5. 5 is complete the following sentence. She got so dash in her work that she was dashed to the noise surrounding her. अब ये दोनों एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं या निगेट कर रहे हैं? Of course, ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं. So she got so free in her work that she was deaf to the noise. She got so अल्फा तो नहीं हो सकता. ब्रावो कहता है she got so busy in her work that she was deaf to the noise. This makes sense. She got so occupied that she was deaf to the noise. How can you, so blind to the noise, how can you be blind to a noise? You will be deaf to a noise. She got so involved in her work. If she is involved in her work, she won't be alert to the noise. The correct answer would be bravo. Question number 6. You will feel much better if you dash the tooth extracted. You will feel much better if you will have the tooth extracted. Alpha looks good. If you would have तो ये था कि अगर आप ये कर चुके होते. If you had, ये भी past है. आप future की बात करें. If you would have gotten, ये भी past की बात कर रहा है. The correct option would definitely be alpha. If you will have the tooth extracted. My bad. इसको मैं highlight कर दूं number 6 को. Number 7. Ambition is one of those dash which are never satisfied. Are ambition one of those ideas or fancies are wishes, or energies or passions? Wishes हो सकता था, लेकिन wishes would be half correct. Passion would be a more complete answer. So that's passions. Passions is the right answer. Ambition is one of those passions which are never satisfied. Question number 8 says, the opponents were outnumbered, but still the commander refused to give dash. Opponents were outnumbered, फिर भी commander refused to give. Now, ये है एक idiom है जो कि आप सबको आना चाहिए. This is to give in, which is to surrender. Okay, beta. Question number 9 is Spot the error. The dean of this college is a good friend of me. अब ये मसला है. The dean of the college, इसमें तो कोई मसला ही नहीं है. Is a good friend, इसमें भी मसला नहीं है. You're left with me. Is a good friend of mine. Question number 10. Spot the error. There have been heavy rainfall yesterday. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? There have been heavy rainfall yesterday. So of course, you will rather choose has because heavy rainfall is singular. इसलिए alpha is the erroneous part. There has been heavy rainfall yesterday. Choose similar meaning of the word barbarian. Similar meaning simple words is a synonym. So question number 11 में कहते हैं barbarian. Barbarian is someone who's definitely not civilized, who's definitely not prolific. Prolific का मतलब क्या होता है? To produce in large quantity, who's definitely not noble. Barbarian है, बहुत ही aggressive होगा, and it's more like someone who's uncivilized than civilized. Question 12. Choose the opposite, which is the antonym of the word uncertain. So सबसे पहले तो ये बना ले uncertain का antonym होगा क्या? Word to word is certain, something that is confirmed. So it's not vague. Vague is confusing. It's not doubtful, because that's also confusing. Clownish is something that is funny. So it's definitely sure. Okay. Question 13. Choose the opposite meaning of the word quote. Quote means to say, to mention. तो mention करना, cite करना is also citation, is quoting. Refer is also quoting. It is definitely not analyze. ठीक है? So 13 में गड़बड़ है bravo में, because that's not the synonym of quote, that's the antonym of quote. He was very polite, dash me. He was very polite in me, for me, on me, nahin. He was very polite to me. Okay, Ji, read the following passage to answer the question 15 and 16. Doctors are people who examine other people in their clinics. When patients visit them, the doctors follow a certain procedure. They take the pulse, thump the test, and listen to the heartbeats through a stethoscope, and perhaps a miniature rubber tire is put around the patient's arm and is blown up to check what is called blood pressure. Question 15 कहता है, who are the other people whom the doctor examines? Are they men? They can be, but it's half correct. Are they women? They can be, it's half correct. Are they patients? Of course they are patients. Are they children? They can be, but it's half correct. So the correct answer would be Charlie. Question 16. Patients visit doctors means they address them. क्या वो उनसे मुखातिब होते हैं? नहीं. They visit their homes. क्या उनके घरों पे जाते हैं? No. They go to them for treatment. Looks nice. They make courtesy calls to them. ऐਵੇਂ हाल चाल के लिए फोन कर लेते हैं. ऐसा हरगिज नहीं है. Patient डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं for treatment. Question 17. Choose the lettered word or phrase that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the word physical. So anything, अच्छा, most nearly opposite, that means कि मैं क्या चाह रहा हूँ? मैं antonym चाह रहा हूँ. 17 का alpha कहता है bodily. So anything that has a body is physical. So bodily is a synonym. Material Charlie कहता है जी again, तो ये भी physical है. Mental is of course not something that is physical, and corporeal is also that relates to a corporate structure. So it's mental, that's the nearest opposite to the word physical. Question 18, choose the word most similar in meaning to the word sadness. Similar. Alpha कहता है unhappiness, looks really good. Confidence cannot be sadness. Belief cannot be sadness. Hope cannot be sadness. Therefore, you'll choose alpha. Question number 19 says, identify the word or phrase that needs to be changed for the sentence to be correct. Yesterday, one of the teachers was called by the principal. इसको देखते ही साथ इट शुड स्ट्राइक कि yesterday one of the teachers was called, बिल्कुल सही है. Principal, ये तो उसूल वाला प्रिंसिपल लग रहा है. This has to be principal, Principal. Therefore, that's the erroneous part, which is in question 19. Question 20 is choose the word which is the exact opposite of the given words. Words लिखा हुआ है, word होना चाहिए इसको. Given word, industrious. Industrious means someone who's very hard working. Indifferent means जिसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हो सकता है कि वो किसी चीज के बारे में इंडिफरेंट हो, किसी चीज के बारे में. तो इंडस्ट्रियस का ये एग्जैक्ट एंटोनिम नहीं है. ब्रावो इज इंडोलेंट. इंडोलेंट मींस लेजी. सो यस, इंडस्ट्रियस का एंटोनिम ये बन सकता है. कैजुअल, कैजुअल इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली कैजुअल को मैं कहूंगा ये आधा सही आंसर है. एंड पैसिव मींस नॉट एक्टिव. इंडस्ट्रियस का राइट एंटोनिम, द करेक्ट एंटोनिम वुड बी लेजी. सो हार्ड वर्किंग का antonym would be lazy, which is indolent. Thank you so much. इंशाल्लाह अब मजीद कोई पेपर होगा जो कि आपसे डिस्कस करना होगा, तब आपसे मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज.